Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another day's video. Good afternoon, guys. So today we're gonna be beatboxing, and I don't know what I'm gonna beatbox, but guys, I know y'all love beatboxing. Beatbox is music. I got this, okay? I got this. So, as you guys know how it goes. Wait, how does it go? So yeah, either way, I'm gonna be beatboxing. So good afternoon. Let's get this video started. Make sure I go like and subscribe and turn on post notifications if you not do that. If you're new to my channel, I'm Anthony, aka T-Rex Beats. So let's go right into beatbox video, guys, and I'll see you right after the intro. Here we go.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. This could be us. Bring that gun back. Now bring that gun back.
You won't bring that gun back. Say hello to my little friend. Now bring that bass, 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 bass. Bring the fast bass. Hey. Here we go. Bring that gun, fire. Now take it back. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure I go smash that like button if you like this video. This video will be going up and right about now. If you're watching this, make sure I go like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications if you have not done that. I will be making a diss track now. Be coming up with some rhymes and stuff like that. But this diss track is gonna be for Jake Paul. I'm gonna try to go to LA. You know what I'm saying? If my cousins are watching this, they're gonna be making fun of me. Watch, I'm a Jake Pauler. But I watch Jake Paul, and yeah, he's my favorite guy. But make sure I go smash that like button. Make sure I go like and subscribe and turn on post notifications if you have not done that. And I'll see y'all on Wednesday for the next video. How are you doing, switching it, beatboxing or dancing, whichever one. Comment down below whichever one y'all want me to do Wednesday. Y'all want me to do beatboxing or dancing, let me know. Hit me up on Instagram. No, hit me up on Facebook. Message me, I'll link it down in the description down below. And I'll see you guys real soon. Let's bring that gunfire back. Wow. This video is brought to you by Junior Pavon. Bring that gunfire back. Bring that gunfire back. Bring that gunfire back.